Good morning, guys. So just wanted to do this quick tutorial with you using the Glamlite Miracle palette and a few other items. Please keep watching down below. If you are interested in subscribing, please do so. Like this video as well. And go check me out on Instagram. It's the same at Brandywine13. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Morning, guys. So I already did all of my face makeup except for highlight. I am going to use Glamlite's Miracle palette. Not a newer one, but that's okay. This is what she looks like. Just gonna do a little quick tutorial with y'all using this palette today. So let's get started. So I'm gonna color switch my brush. I think I'm gonna use this bright color first. It's called Butterfly. Sorry about that weird light. I'm gonna try to turn one of these lights down. I don't know if that's any better. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep blending that out. Maybe just a tad bit more on this edge. It's working just fine. I like the pigmentation. I like how it blended out. I think it looks nice. I do have like an extra little hair right there. I'm gonna have to tweeze that. But so I'm gonna use this Heavenly down here just to put on my brow. I don't know. It must be my mirror that's tripping that up. So next I'm going to use Treasure. And I'm going to use that on my outer third of the lid. Just to kind of deepen up that outer corner a little bit. That was almost a little bit more than half of my lid, but we're going to cover most of that up. So I'm going to put just a tad bit more, and then I'm going to grab that brush we did the first color with and kind of blend out that edge. Alright, so there's that. And then, let's see, I think I want to use this Angelic glitter. It looks like it's a shimmer slash glitter. I'm gonna spray that. So I don't know. I think that I will actually, I used some glitter glue, some NYX glitter glue the other day for my shimmer, and it really, really popped. So I am going to try that. Okay, so I have that. It's called Angelic, that peachy shade. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Okay. Alright, so there's that. And then on the bottom, I'm going to use Butterfly, which was that first shade. And then I'm going to take that Treasure and just put it on the outer, right there, of my lower lash. So let's see. I am going to use whatever highlighter on my face I use. I'm going to put on my inner corner. And I'm going to do my mascara, my eyebrows, and my inner corner, and I will come back and show you the finished look. Okay guys, so I just wanted to hop on and show you the finished look. So that is the finished look, the eyes, and I used my No Flash Needed from Colored Rain. It's this beautiful light gold color, and that's on my cheeks and my inner corner. And of course, until it runs out, I used my Better Than Sex mascara, and in my waterline used LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner in Pop. And then of course on my eyebrows, I don't think it's ever gonna run out, is my Makeup Revolution. And then I just threw on a random lip gloss from, I can't even see who it's from. It's very, I've had it for a very long time. It's probably expired. So, thank you so much for hanging out with me for this tutorial today. And please do me a favor and like and comment down below. Also, if you could follow me over on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. Thank you so much, and everyone stay safe.